Hello guys, I guess all of you are doing great. So today I'm here with another session to show you how to install Tableau Public in your local system. So as you know, I have already told that there are two primary softwares for Tableau. One is Tableau desktop version, which comes with a 14 days trial period, and another is Tableau Public. So the difference between these two softwares is that for the desktop version, which comes with a 14 days trial, you can save your Tableau files locally in your system, and you can share among your friends if you need. But after 14 days, you will not be able to use this Tableau desktop version in your local system. So people who are actually interested in learning Tableau and want to continue the journey with this learning, so the other option is to install Tableau Public. So Tableau Public doesn't have any restriction on the number of days. The only restriction that Tableau Public have is that you have to save the Tableau file in the cloud. That is a Tableau online repository. You can't save the files locally in your system. But people, for learning purposes, I don't think that is a huge limitation. Only thing that you need to be careful about that the data with which you are working, that should not be confidential, because once you publish the Tableau file in the Tableau public server, it's been accessible by everybody present there or in the internet. There is no restriction over it. So just be careful about the data. So let's start. So the first thing is that you open up a session and you search for Tableau Public download. Okay, now it will direct you to the download page where you can give your email ID and download the Tableau Public. So for the interest of time, I've already downloaded this particular software in my local system, and as of now I'm skipping this step. But normally it should open up with a download option where you can download the exe file. So I have already downloaded it and I'm just double clicking on that. It's just like any other software. Normal steps are there. It's taking some time. Shouldn't be long. So I'm done. Tableau Public is already installed in my local system, and you can see a shortcut has been created. So oops, we are here. We can create any visualization we want. Another limitation is that there are kind of databases that you can, there is a kind of limitation to the type of databases that you can connect to, but most of the learning cases, since we are more interested in learning Tableau right now rather than being actual production work, we can connect to Excel, text file, access, JSON files, PDF files. So most of the time we will be using Excel and CSV files for our learning purposes, so that will not be an issue. So let me show you how to publish a Tableau file in Tableau Public. So let me connect to an Excel. Let's say I'm connected to this particular Excel file. I will be creating a very basic visualization just for the sake of showing you how to publish a Tableau file. I'm just taking orders, going to my sheet, It's taking some time. I think we are done. I'm just taking dimension, a city, adding all the members for the city, taking a sales and showing it in a chart or straight table. So we are done creating our Tableau dashboard. Now I will be publishing it. So here you see we have two options: save to Tableau public. So I haven't given any name. The default name will be book 1. So let me select this option. So now Tableau will be asking for a sign-in credential. So now a small step is there. People who don't have that particular credential or account created for Tableau public, it's a very easy thing. I will just show you how to create a Tableau public credentials. So Tableau public sign up. I'm going to that page. Okay, there is a sign in option. If you don't have any account, create one. It's completely free. I'm just giving a name, the name of my channel. Setting up the password, and we are done. Okay. As simple as that. You just create a credential. Okay. So now you can log in out here with that credential. So I hope I need to activate it. Okay. Let me try with the newly created credential. I hope it will allow me to publish. So once you get into that, you can set your name. First assignment, I'm just giving it a name, just publishing it. Very simply to user interface for this particular cloud server. We are almost there. Tableau is saving it, and that you are directed automatically to that particular page where your dashboard has got published. Okay, we got it. If I go to my gallery, I should be able to see that particular dashboard. Yes, here it is. First assignment. Sorry, I think I clicked on profile. So gallery is where you will see people all over the world who are actually publishing their dashboard. You can share yours also. Okay, I think I got logged out. Let me log in again. I don't know, some issues are there, but I was able to see the first assignment which I already published. Maybe the network connectivity is slow out here. If I try to publish it once more, let's see what happens. Or maybe I could just click on first assignment. Okay, I think there are some issue my connectivity. Yeah, now I guess I am there on my page. Okay, let me go to my profile. Okay, here it is. You can just click on that view button and you can see your dashboard. So definitely there are some issues with my network connectivity, but hopefully you'll be able to see. So just let me know. Okay, here it is loading. So just let me know in the comments below this particular video in YouTube channel. Whatever the problem you're facing, I will try to resolve or try to help you to resolve any problem which you will be facing while installing and publishing your dashboard. So let's start our journey today. Go back to see the steps if you feel like it, and start it on a local system and let me know. Thanks a lot.